Yeah, Donald, what's up? I slept with your mouse. I slept with your mom.
Shut the hell up, bitches, man!
Alright, I'm going to call Rose, motherfucker, so listen up.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Donald. Here.
Mickey. Minnie.
Donald, duck, shut. You know what? What the hell did you say to me?
Students. Oh, yeah. I said turn on the page 63, man.
Hey, Donald.
Alright, bitches, what's the count of Nebraska, man?
And that's how. What the fuck, Mickey? I'm sorry. Oh, shit! You want to mess with me? Oh! Mickey Mouse, called to the principal office now! Make me, you son of a bitch! Oh, hell no, motherfucker!
No!
Oh my God, no! You motherfucker! That is it! Don't do it again!
I'm very sorry about Leech.
Minnie Mouse. So everyone please have a seat and I will do the work for you on the board. So guys, would you turn your page? Donald, be quiet.
Right. Hey Donald, I slept with your mom!
Mickey! Turn around! Look at me! In order to find
Yo, Mickey, shut up, man! I'm trying to go.
Stop it!
What the hell I do?
Alright, now the time.
Mickey,
Freaked up.
it's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
Shut up! Hello everyone, I am Miss Mouse, or you can call me Minnie Mouse. We don't give a but you will not do stupid shit, okay? Now listen to me.
Okay.
First question. So if Donald, shut up! Thank you. That is correct.
We got trouble.
Next question.
Okay.
Mickey, shut up! Yeah,
Damn,
you
Mickey,
divide
don't bring
number
it to the
3.
teacher, man. The hell's your problem, man?
Shut up and pay attention! That is correct. Now that's
No, you're fast.
You shut up, man.
everyone shut up!
Okay.
Alright, yesterday was a really bad day and I wasn't tolerating your bullshit. So listen up, okay? Now listen. So yesterday if you turn to page 14. Donald, shut up! So if you look at number 14, it
I
says
slept with your mom and I enjoyed it. That's what you did.
turn around, Mickey, right now!
I'm sorry.
Yes, 23 is correct. Next. Goofy, I'm gonna call your mom!
What the hell did I do?
Shut up! And the final answer to number... That is it! Don't do it again!
Yo, Don, you smell bad. Shut the fuck up. What did you say to me?
Shut up!
Alright, listen up everyone. Today we're gonna learn how to pick up women, okay? Because y'all can't, Anyway, step 1.
Hey, yo,
Yes,
Mickey.
Mickey.
How do you pick up women?
Guess what? It's time to learn.
Okay.
Step 2. Always be nice to her, no matter what. Donald, pay attention, man! Anyway.
I'll bet you Mickey can't get girls, man. Oh shit, he's getting back.
Well, that wasn't very like us. Yeah,